Ayan, so fully closed na siya. Okay, try natin ng low speed, 40 kilometers per hour. Okay. Ayan, nasa 40. Not sure if medyo malakas yung echo since ayan, fully close yung visor natin. Then ayan, test mic. Then try natin 60. Ayan, 60, maintain lang natin yung speed. May na-overtake sa atin. So ayan, test mic, test. Hello, hello. Ayan na, nag-overtake na. And then test naman natin yung 80 na hindi salubong sa hangin. Okay. Okay, let's go. 80 kilometers. 81, 85, 88. Okay, ba 100 na. Okay, hindi ko alam kung rinig nyo pa ako. Test mic, test. Sana okay lang yung audio. Okay. And then test naman natin yung open visor, and then naka-close tong nasa mouth. Ito nasa mouth vent.